Nedukende nigere ime yomo chorongo magega ye Weighbridge ime ya Homa Bay nigeduka yabo ere magega ye stechenene ime yomo chukisumo nigobare a sesemo ya Gor Mahia Street ime yomo chonthiwa nigobare opposite wa Chonya Petrol Station naboko bakiresimi a senamba enotisano naibire kiande yemo kiande nye isano naibire isano nemo Gusii enotisano naibire kianda marakabire ibere kianda inye ibere isano na ibere isano Gesa Hardware Kisii.
Bei zetu ni nafuu, tunawakaribisha nyote Gesa Hardware.
Pastor Gilak wa New Life Prayer Center and Church Kisii anawaalika kwa ibada ya nyota, yaani Abrahamic Star.
Popote Abrahamu alikanyaga alitawala. Inaitwa Abrahamic Star.
Ibada hii itaanza Tuesday, yaani Jumanne, tarehe 13 hadi Jumapili, tarehe 18 mwezi huu wa 6.
Kuanzia Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday tuko na ibada ya Abrahamic Star and cross border anointing. Wherever you are welcome. Utoke Nyamira, Kisumu, Webuye, popote ambapo unatoka, hata kama ni Rongo, hata hapa kama ni Kisii, njoo. Mungu akutendee miujiza na ishara in Jesus mighty name.
Walete wagonjwa wapate uponyaji, vipofu wapate kuona, vilema wapate kutembea, waliofungwa na shetani wapate kufunguliwa katika jina la Yesu.
Ilikuwa Abrahamic Star. Ukaniuliza nataka nini? Nikakwambia nataka nyota. Ukanipea nyota. Nilipewa promotion last month. Tena kuna promotion iko kwa njia. Ilikuwa inafaa nipewe hii wiki. Naongojea. Mwenye alikuwa ameniachiri kazi, sasa amekuja nimpe kazi.
Kanisa linapatikana Itibore Nyabaro, kando na barabara kuu ya kuelekea Suneka. Kwa maelezo zaidi, mpigie Pastor Gilak kwa nambari 0725628724. Karibuni nyote.
Emanyie Jumatato.
Mwanchi umurigere n'itariki 12 cy'umutenyi o gatano nari mu mwaka wa 2023 kinga kingiye keroto kwarigani imeye Emanyie Jumatato to kumanyibura nara yatwa kwariganire asenchira erejubwikirano
namanga bereka okolekana bono mwanchi umurigere kurwa semambya yarenge ntambe kwikachinse chigabono chebono margoba abaliki baitokoro chingongo chonsi nigo bayasangereri asenchira yobwikirano aseri bwato gochiko sansamuranira nago kumanya bunabere kawateka
to kwariganira beko gosangana into mwere kerato kwenyore mna sense bere ya Facebook na bakugendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter na bogotitwetera @Ndizi TV News yero togendera gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amange
na manga kolekane bono mwancho muligiriri tanganike gima tonyora mangana ywa senchera yoko ya chuta.
This airport will be serving the Kisii. We have the CS, the County Secretary representing His Excellency Governor Simba Arati.
Serikali yanengo chakobwaga chibwegetigie chinde gase county ya Homa Bay yegentogia togigwe na serikali ya county ya Kisii.
I want to urge the governors to talk to the county commissioners and have a good relationship. When we came in, the previous administration had created a wedge between the national government and the county government. Ourselves, we told our county commissioners, I called them for a meeting, that we are one people. We serve the same people. There is gain when we work together.
Ritanga nitiga totingyo borendi aba county commissioner babori gukubwatira namo nabarai au asti county otebire omokonyo muri wenserigadi Gachagua.
In probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved.
Obukurumi nigo bagenderete gosegeto n'abakuriye emirimo ba serikali ekyombo kyo gotuko obukurumi EACC gyatebire. Asa yamonenda mange saranse kyongo manyase nchira yobo ikiranu olitokubwatira nerego tirasomo no bumanyiriyo igakoroko Joshua Auta.
Nchine valino sero tokubwatira na nere petronire mukira sense merio koine kya bunachi picha nirio gicha wikeire asenchira yabene.
Tietera nenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha gochake mesi amangana mayeto gochaga kurwa samangana lengeto boche no kumurekere nyagetari eri ya Itirio Maternity and Nursing Home eyo gotoka chinse mochiri chia bonchari maga yogosie kwasege kabono ni komule nyagetari ibono yegoirwe eliko nyara kurobo korre gochia sawa menyi bense meyo gosio ko nyagetari eri nigo kogocha kubwatekana no kubaro ko bintu yekirani obokori obuyana baigo no maga chokonyara koligereriwa
nyagetari ibono nigo yabete kegosie kwa asumaka bwechiri bibere na 20 no yomo akore nde kubwatkana no gukinwa kwa magacho bona nande nigo yayigoirwe eriokorwa bokoreri boroboronke ko cyase abamenyi bense meyo
igaminya baliganire getambo kerekina ko kirokigoro kwenyagetari yubuno muri Keiton Demo Steven agotomanya
enyagetari mission ya Itirio ngati chinyagetari chinkoro chinsemo chasuneka bonchari nonye nabo emyake mingi yaitire kurwe nyara ko bage kurwa bokoreri Kolende maiga yebinto koronge gwa senyagetari eyo nigo bokoreri bwaigorwa bene Itirio Maternity and Nursing Home.
Nyagitari ye yarabereke gokora obobwenia matuka maega korukare. One tuanye igora tukarakora renovations yake kwenye facelift na kwenye kinie level. Korwa se level goikarero tuikire level 5. Gobono tualike kanisa ya tualika elinde gokora oboigorio rasmi. Gogo chaka bono gochimotuga iga ndorengereti gochikonyora abarwaire na anda abarwaire bonsi piko igwete bobe kwarega ni gocha enyagitari ya Itirio Maternity and Nursing Home onyoro bobwenia.
Kanisa letu la Kinjili katika Kenya lilianza na shughuli hii ya matibabu na tuko na kumekuwa na hata iko sahi Nyangowa Health Center, Atemo Health Center, Munianko Health Center na Matongo Health Center. Na hii ni hatua nzuri na Mungu atubariki tunapoanza hivi.
Gwetire nyagetari ye kuigorwa nigera konya mangana yo bobwenia na gusire birengo byo bobwenia ime abonchari dorogongo rwa Gusii.
Igonta etekwira ngambo yamona aseri tukeli kyagara nechindoto che kiranire ase ogokerorwa kwenya gitari ye koba kegwangeke bono twachira ase chinguru chinene igo tukwaregania abakenya bonsi no Gusii wensi inga bona ase nara baranyore ogotimokera nende banyare kugwena babe nobogima nande baba na barogwaso boikeranu una yesaga tatebe esabali ya renovation teraba esabali ya raisi ase ngencho esabali ya renovation ne involve tia mangana finances lakini ntaete koiraneria abanchari kyagara na ubale chijirani nanda abanyene enyagitari yeye aso kubwaterana kuri barure kubwaterana korokuya kubwata omorembe okukwanyarire koro kyanga renovation sichi cyakoriru paka twakorire stoikire rero twigoire nyagitari yeye asobo bwenia
bali baikirana nigo baerera buna okorosi gwa kwenya getari ye kwa irege kigetambe kunde gwetiro kubwatirana kwa babwatani benya getari yeye amaroro babwatanya reko bakagoikirana Omogo kobono na samenyi bechinsemo chia Itirio suneka na ebunge ya bonchari abono banyode nyagetari ende ranyale ko bakeko bakonya konyoro bokoreri bwo nyagetari ko reporteria Ndizi TV ko ruchinsemo chia Itirio Nursing Home bonchari constituency rietariane Ndemo Steven.
Muyamono muri keitonde Mostifi na se oroboti ururikiranu egati abasaye kurwa se bunge yabo basi ni gobesokirie na kugikiria amangana ise yayogendetho kwene kiwase county ya Kisii gati umugavana we county yega no muchumbe o South Mugrango Silvana Sosoro na mono ni goba mochirie osoro asawatabana no kuborwa maskani ko chiase umugavana rati
abasawo bono ni gobaganiri umubungo South Mugrango kurwa senseme yukunyara kwene kibuna nkonyara kurwesiko ko chiase umugavana we county ya Kisii anaso kunyara wekerania magendro na wega no kubwatira manamo na baraibande ani gagocha matuka makema ga y'umugabano we county ya Kisii kana soma yugo mubwa matanga oyo kore kantensemo ya South Mugrango asirindo kumusana na kwa enegetigwe asensemeyo
nabona niga basabo baganiriye getambukiro kibonete ko imukiwa asumo chumbo soro kubwatikana namangana ayo kubora ko borendi ase county ya Kisii anene ase sector ya bodaboda umurikeito Josephat Amisi na mange
Magaichi buraburu korrakana asomaya wa matanga ime constituency ya South Mugrango uyerete anena mabera kisiasa ati umugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati na boigo omochumbe we constituency ya South Mugrango Silvana Sosoro bono nigo abasae anena kurwa ase constituency abo basi bakoro kwa buna abo basi youth council banyira ko bakwesokia na kugikiria egakorekyo
okondem amangana abereka okorwa no mweshimiwa Silvana Sosoro boigo buna basai nigo tugusaba tororo soro kakobwatu kakobekume na kuigorerwa mashtaka na apparatus ya security kinse yeto ya Kenya aseigo mugochi konganjera mbatebi amangana abera atatu ayabe osora abereka gokora aywa kogera ntubuna basai toigwanga ekeno osoro nkogosera romo Gusii at large na nene mono kogosera ari governor Simbarati oyoro mobas asengenjera gotebanga na bwata bagram twachire gokirwa ngire gusika governor bono yekira simtu na basai babo basto gotebanga governor buno mobas paka achikoba protected either by the state or seba into youth
as a representatives of the youth council members of Moro Chegege bare drawn from overseas constituency etwachirega negange moyoko gikeri ebikoro byo mweshimiwa majority whip yore Silvana Sosoro. We are not happy the way our conduct as a fellow youth. We are not happy.
Bago kwana litukoria lero abasabo nigo bagoririe ya serikali nyarako bayikumwirira umuchumbe o Silvana Sosoro gatambukiro eliyo kwenekia bune cha kirobo tuki eliyo kumanyekya nyarako bayikwirira anne chiburaburu ekyo
osoro nkwarokanite gutwara group y'abantu babwate ebyoma ebinge sana chinsaranji arrokanete amagena na arrokanete ebiboye mbi arrokanete n'abantu abege bagotebanga nae barenge gokoba gochia samatanga
nkige kogera incident chons to abasomere mne youth council yabo basyo sora bere involved incident chons a county government through a commissioner yeto it is silent about all these incidents. Does it mean there's something in the public to tamanyet? And if manyet, why can't they let us aware to manyenga in every situation? It's all about Kisii. Because on the diplomacy failed, then we are ready. Tolinge chirong, tolinge chifi, na intubo basi intubo atebi boy. Toimukibi boy tumera neturwa. Because the county security apparatus, they're silent. They don't want to speak anything about this issue. Is it because Sosoro is above the law?
Nigo bamubulire omu county commissioner we county ya Kisii anyara ko bagaguchakia obutuki bwango eliyo kwenekia ekikirete chiburaburu chenyara ko bachiko korekana me constituency ya South Mugrango
twawusabire moto hambo time na youth bagondo alvinga ebasiime tera tagotuna ntuwa bana youth sababu tutete osoro reaction
jinjije jirororo ekero kwara gokorera matianga nayo gwendera togokora ekera akoreiru after powers is what will you sow before you after you get out of that power.
Kuripotiri gataseni kia Ndizi TV kure county ya Kisii Riterana Josephat Hamisi
Biamono omurikito Josephat Amisa soroboti rwa century yoboyekera no gotigana na yubono mwancho murikere boygo tumurikira mangana yarengete gesi ya sagati yabazaye kurwa ase kyamakirikia ODM boygo nigo besokire nako mwancho mubungo South Mugrango Sevanasio Soro anasogote abuna tararu esiko cyaso mu governor bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati yabasawa ODM nigo batebire buna tigosoro asiko mu governor we county
nabona nigo baganiriye obwa amatobi yakororokana ase gati y'abarayabo munenchire moyo gokonya wekiranirwa kwa magendero ase county ya Kisii muri Kito Mildred Momanyi no roboti urwaso bwagare
ODM tuko tayari pero goto umiranire gai gaso mucho bosongo kerokende konyara ko yagikeria mono amangana kerokenda gendreta ase county to ya Kisii na inde kerokenda akoretwa n'ikibura buru no musike Silvanus Osoro oyoro omubunge South Mugrango igo twachirega igamuna abasaye nga kerokende ebikora bigendreta okorekana bikongozwa no musike Silvanus Osoro ngati biribia na intumuna abasaye igo twabugete nga igo togochora abasaye ase county to ya Kisii bi 8 omo MCA omo jumbe omo governor omo senator nga kerokenda abasaye nintu twabire togochandika asamangana y'ekigasi nga abasaye bekikoro tegerito begete nga kerokende na intu batororera amabera bono yaikira abasaye batonchokeire oyo koruku Silvanus Osoro koburuga simba ntoligo chiwanja
bomo turban korento bo turban bwaya samatanga eiterita bingia ileta biembe twaekanire bora yo muya noyo korenta abantu amo nekera rentra abantu amo babeke metuamo na governor okoba nero mu governor ebwe county ya Kisii nero no mujumbo South Mugrango na teta bagirango bakorwa magendero no mu governor ito igo tigabo muntu omurayi orochenki nga yense koruna segochi lakini egenteka nene mono aske mu governor ito Simbarati okoba nero mu governor
Musike Silvanus Osoro tigae omuzike Simbarati chinga kichinyororo akorere abantu bagusi egasi atamoe tibo asingenjonere naro musai chinga kichi ayengo ikachire agoja kubori oborai na intubuna abasaye ba ODM onye ga kwanlish tera aso mugava no ito na intubono otogoja kwanlish tera kuchisari abasaye babeire bago chayu ase gusisana chinga kiechi alenga chinga kicho musai ntotageti ajake go turturbania togo iga 2027 iri abantu togo chiwaka chikura abantu bachako tayo abasaye abakumbe mbali unabali mbai bangeti omosike Silvanus Osoro ototaite kwa as very strong warning that you must behave.
Biamono omurikito Mildred Momanyi asoroboti rwa senchira yoboyekirano hajina mangana arengete siasa tigatutigere nsemo mangana arengete siasa tumurekere boyika mangana arengete chisemi ikase county ya Nyamira igotogo cha kurwa seskuru yabo iseke ya sironga somoje komo nokolekana itukolia lero abwasa bwatani kurwa senseme chisemi bakuru Dr. Rose oyero moro Kiasi University ya Kisii abakagusangana borokiwa be skuru yo yabo iseke ya sironga
nenchire moyo gokonya abanyarukabo asoko basemya igoro yechikosi babwenta okorekero basoire ase university gosase college au nenchire moyo wekonya ase amatukare bosio nigo baba bakumanyirwa gose bakonya orobo sema wabene igetamukiro nonya nabo aborokia naborokiwa baba kogokera keima notana nigo kera chiko bakonya ase amatukare bosio
omurikito kurwa se county ya Nyamira Job Maangi nekirane skuru yonna gotwarigane roboti rokobwatia
ekera aborokio bakorete amatemo a KCSE omwaka oeta bagenderete gotora chikos ao nigesegeto yarurgo chiase chisukuru korwa amagerio gochiasa abana kibale abake yuremere mubara chigokora
and they've done well academically and the issue of coming here was to just prepare them because a prepared mind is always ready to meet success. We have to tell them to prepare.
It's important that the young girls choose their career early before they get into the candidates class.
Aniga kwanwa ase skuru ya Chinyaruka ya Sironga egotoka ase county Nyamira asomo sangerekano oaliganu na borokio kurase University ya Kisii bakoro na Dr. Rose asebasanga na borokio barase form 3.
Most of the time we find that students go through a school system and then the emphasis on career comes in form 4. But in Sironga girls, we do it differently. They have been mentored. We have talked to them about career development, about discipline, about diligence.
Aborokiwa mbasemiwa igoro byo bogotwara chimbwa chingia na gukora omokia ase chisemi.
That we don't just want good grades, but we also want good grades with character.
Because without character, then education is meaningless. We can have them all score A's, and we found them in the doldrums of life where they've lost it in terms of character. They are not able to stand for themselves. They can't make the right choices, and that is a waste.
Abaibuli mbasa bogotegerera abana babo igeremere mu baganetse gokora nakoba obosemya boisaine.
Let them choose those careers that they feel that they will be best at. So that would be my advice to parents. But at the same time, I would also request the young people in secondary schools that sometimes parents also give their parental guidance. I've worked before the students. They should also listen to them.
Omokonyi bomorokia omonene otenenerete orosagerwe chisemi gwantai Aaron nate baborokia mbabwendete koegwa amagerio bale abake igoremere mu bagane chigo chigokora.
Say that career guidance in our school is a continuous process which begins in Form 1 up to Form 4. And I will urge my colleague teachers across the country, wherever they are, they can benchmark that one from us and also practice it in their centers so that we can be able to inform our learners so that they do not make mistakes when it comes to career choices.
Aborokio beskuria Sironga mbachengera amageria yo nagotea banachiko bakonya asamagimabo anene mono igoremere mu bagane chigo chigokora.
Visitors who have visited us have impacted positively in us in our choice of careers. We've been prepared to choose well, as we all know that chance favors a prepared mind. So I would urge everybody out there to guide the upcoming minds, the great potential of tomorrow on careers.
I learned a lot today, but especially what I learned mostly is to go for your potential. I would like to become a neonatologist, dealing in pediatrics and child health. So I would like to encourage the people out there to go for their potential. And as my colleague had said, the sky is not the limit, but the sky is the floor.
That I've learned today is that let us get out of our comfort zone and let us reach beyond the sky.
Yenko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa sesku ya Sironga egotoka ime County Nyamira Job Maangi.
Mbuya mono murike ito Job Maangi asoroboti ururu ikiranu kurwa se County ya Nyamira. Tugotigana nayo nigo sekta y'obosombi mense ya Kenya yabireke guchakia egetivene ya Kabunde me County ya Homa Bay unenjire yamo yogokinia obosombi wetra senchira yembeo.
Kurengana ne serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nigo yarigana ko keregetambo kiro kya serikali ya kaunti ya Homa Bay yemukiria sokonyara kubwatana ne serikali ne konyara kwa gachegeti gicindege asense meni ko batwere bunange kige konyo bosombi anene kasi chi county bebekaine gati ya kaunti ya Kisii ya munichi county chinde nigo chinga kechio omo teneri korwa serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii omo county secretary ntabo aikirene seme yori bagari ya yomo governor we county ya Kisii erikonya korwa ananene kunyara gusire county yu anasobokore bwabo bwikirania magendro asensemo yobosombi.
This airport will be serving the Kisii. We have the CS, the county secretary representing His Excellency Governor Simba Arati, and he has a word just to commit that the Kisiis will be using this airport. So,
thank you. Just a word. Your Excellency, our CS, and all protocol observed. Honorable Simba Arati, Governor Kisii County, sent me here to pass his greetings. Mmepokea salamu za Mheshimiwa Arati. Mnajua anawapenda. Number 2, just his commitment that Kisii County and the people of Kisii are ready to utilize this facility to ensure that this project is a success. Those are words from His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Nega tambakiro kia beirege ko kero kigimano mugavana we county yo ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga sata irona nechukoro robia obosombi wetra senchera yembe okorwa sense meyo ya Homa Bay uchiase chinsemo chinde.
Gladys Wanga ukona kurwase county unigate birona nchere yemwe nyare gosira na gukini uchumi anene asichi county aho ichirabe chigo tarense meyo kubwate kana no koba wechindege echibono chira chigo kinya mangana rengete obonchorere nigate birebuna bachikubwate na mune chi county chinde erikone kibunango sira nabale anasamangana yokinia uchumi.
Chairman of the Committee of Transport in the National Assembly has spoken to the issue of the ferry. It's a big for our people who live in the islands. 80% of Kenya's Lake Victoria is in Homa Bay, which means that people who live in the islands and other places are unable to move without a ferry. So I thank you. I thank the national government. I thank the Committee on Transport, and especially our colleagues who are also in the budget committee like Honorable Mili for ensuring that we now have that budget for the ferry. Asante sana to the national government for that particular movement. So we are happy that that is happening. I know that there are many roads also happening, one of which we will see between Adiedo and Karabok, the one that is in Karoli's constituency that will open up that part of the
Muwaziri bwa Sombi Kipchumba Murkomen boigonigago kerege tamkirekyo aneno kubwatira nawe county ya Homa Bay amone serikali nene asogwikirania magendero
gukwana kurwa senseme ni gate birebu namba chikone kichi county nkonyara chireko konya ka kurwa senseme ya serikali ekarate birebu namba ngana rengete yobo Sombi ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ngatere bago chikoligereria asebe gate bino chinsemo chinsabwa chibara chise nimba chikoligere chinseme chyo elikonyara kwane kya mangana yobo Sombi nkororo go senko ya anyare kororo bigwa aiga sense ya Kenya.
We are working together. I know some people are looking at us. I saw some of our pictures that were shared in the morning. And people were asking, can Wanga work with Murkomen? What is going on? Yeah? Many of you do not know that those of us who are here understand two things. It is one thing to nyinyi raia mko na maneno. Napigia mtu makofi tu akisema story. Lakini uchaguzi kikaribia, watu wanataka maendeleo. So sisi kwa upande huu bila kujali chama, lazima tuhakikishe kwanza uko na kitu ya kupelekea raia. Unawaambia ndio hii barabara, ndio hii tuko na ferry hapa, ndio hii tuko na tumejenga airport, tumeextend airport. Hata mimi kama kijana sitaki nikwende nikizeeka namna ile. Wanasema huyo mtu tu alikuwa anapika Kiingereza kwa wizara. Na inafaa nikirudi hapa nasema nilikuja hapa nikasema tuongeze runway, tumeongeza. Na hii imekuwa an international airport. So we have to work together. Sisi haijalishi she's elected in ODM, I was elected.
Kubatikana no komentikana kwa mangana yobokurumi mense ya Kenya niye kiombekirie kurwani yobokurumi kia Ethics and Corruption Commission EACC kia bwatokiro roboti ase batebirebuna abakora mirimo beserikali na bwanene barokanire gosegeta obokurumi mense ya Kenya.
Ekiombe ko batebirebuna mbagendere kuligereria na konengia sowe imigoro ya mangana rengeto obokurumi bakora wana Abdul Muhammad ni ko batebirebuna insichu ikisato chirebosi mbacho ko batoka roboti ronde oranya rekoro kimbare bagendere gosegeta obokurumi aiga sense ya Kenya nigo barogo kurogo tindi na kote una onde bonsora ikirwana na sense ya serikali kago sege obokurumi ne mukirige tambo kirige tindi kolengana nilichiko.
In probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved, and we are basically looking at detailed investigations when it comes to CI, both in the previous administration and in the current administration.
Saying says prevention is better than cure. Therefore, once we've understood what do investigators look for in this when they come to investigate procurement-related issues, then we're able to be more aligned, more engaged, but more importantly, be sensitive to those pitfalls that can befall our members during that process. Essentially, it's also part and parcel of saying, how can we ensure that the people that are involved in any part of that process, we call it supply chain for a reason. It's not just procurement. Supply chain is a holistic view about where the process starts, end-to-end view of supply chain, so that
Mu Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nigaganirio kubwatana kwa babwatani ao nabo igoti serikali anene asogokinia amangana yobochenu.
Nigoba ya kuana ya chinga kiwali wasire bene na gocha kyumurubiri bene huyolengete amangana yo kominyo kujana boiga sensemeri yobochenu asumurubwe Kenya murubuna hospitali tinigate birebuna bachiko ene kinenchire mu chikonyara gokonya na gukina amangana yobotari aiga sense ya Kenya.
There are a lot of issues that through your influence you should not look at yourselves as only influencing tourist or tourism or hospitality policies. Look at yourself holistically. You must be able to influence other things. You must be able to influence policies around security. You must be able to influence policies around the financing of the country and how they bring out their rules. In terms of looking at what taxation measures that a government is bringing in at the end of the day, you have to critically examine this. So look at the hospitality industry not in a silo approach, but look at it in a holistic approach. And I hope that in the conversation from the varied topics that you'll have, you'll be able to bring forward some very critical suggestions that would help all of us improve and generate the kind of investment we want in that sector. We want to see more employment. We want to see more capacity building.
Wakwana chinga kechiboigoni go muwaziri bwa mangana yobotari Penina Malonza nerabereka gokwanera obuyabu gokinya Kenya anene asese moyo bonchoreria
ni government agote abuna nenchire yamera chikonyara gokonya no gokinya mangana lengete uchumi asate wono chinsemo chinde chonsi jige chiko ligerigwa eliko ene kibuna amangana lengete obotari na boigo na mangana obochenu konyara ale kumulikerwa.
Kenya is ripe. Why should we invest in Kenya? Kenya is a techno hub of Africa. That is good for you to know. Technologically, we are advanced, and this is one country where we will not struggle a lot with technology. Why would you invest in Kenya? Because we have built infrastructure, including the super highway that we have right in the middle of the city. And so in the area of infrastructure, we have developed ourselves as a country. And so you have an opportunity to invest in this country. And so we'll be looking not only to our beaches, not only to our wildlife, but also cutting through to sports tourism, where we are looking at paragliding investments, skiing investments, athletic training camps, mountain climbing facilities, and in the area also of agro-tourism. We are one country that is blessed so much in the area of flowers, in the area of tea, in the area of coffee, and in the area of fire.
Eriokora obo inkino botumeki bwebinyuwa byogotindia bitancheiri nanene obusari wechingencho au niwo mokonyi bumurai bwenseriga digasha waberega kurege tindi go cyase abamenyi be county ya Nakuru barianene bakubwatiranwa nebikorebyo nigaboririe aba county commissioners kubwatirana n'abarai bande naboyigabanya nyimbo asokurwania ebikorebi
asomoye gaboli tokoria lero ligatigasha gwani gate abuna bali baranyoro bakonyara konia amario gasenjere tanchini analyo gotindia nigo mukirige tambo kirege tindi chinga kichuniga murekera mangana ya magendro nagote una wa county commissioner baine kinanko bwatira nabare aseganga yoko ene kibuna ngotingi barobolendi ase chinsemo negate bire serikali ya reta ofisa semyaka ya berekego eta ikomini go ya tigeteri bagali nene anene asoko nyara gotwaro bwa matobu yagati sekechi county nabo igone serikali ene anasensemo yobrai negate bire serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebwato bwa mate na nigo ya nyareke go tubali bagerio nagote una okubwata na kwani kiwa eliko nyara koine kibuna ngotingi barobolendi elwa makoligeria mangana ya magenderero.
Want to urge the governors to talk to the county commissioners and have a good relationship. When we came in, the previous administration had created a wedge between the national government and the county government. Ourselves, we told our county commissioners, I called them for a meeting, that we are one people. We serve the same people. There is gain when we work together. I want to ask these governors to consider where you have challenges of budgetary, put money aside to give allowances to the National Police Reserve. Where there are issues of transport, county governors consider buying and maintaining vehicles to be used by these officers. Because hata ukijenga barabara, ujenge hospitali na watu yako hapana lala, you are wasting your time. Security is everything. It's a prerequisite to development. So please, I want to encourage our officers of the National Government Administration. Kaa karibu na governor wako, kaa karibu na mjumbe wako. We used to build even canteens for police officers. Wale tulikuwa tunapelekana mzuri. Lakini kama wewe kazi yako ni kuchukua pesa ya banki, hakuna mjumbe atakujengea ofisi. Mjaribu kukaa na hawa waheshimiwa wako na pesa ya CDF.
Na kira yubo igogendre tomo waziri w'uburinzi w'emekethire kindiki niga tebiruna egekure tinigende kubwato kono bunyabyo botiri okolekana chinsem aho konyara kwane kibuna ngokora wale amarwa tanchiri na kubolia bagambi kone kyo kubwatana na kweme ngokolekana kolego ikasen semeria yebinyoro
kindiki nigo baigate biruna go ikabalya bonse bakoro bonchirere abwe binyuwa byo gotindia kwene kyo namba bwate chi license yekerero eriyo kobakonya ase okogendereria obonchirere babo osonye tariboni go baraje kwimukirwa egetamukire getindi nabo igo se chiduka cyabo chibe chigosiekwa.
There is an ongoing crackdown on all unlicensed outlets for manufacture, distribution and sale of illicit of all unlicensed outlets of manufacture, distribution and sale of alcohol. And on the question of second generation alcoholic drinks, which is a major issue, and the question of ethanol, I want to agree with the presenter from Nakada that many of the licensees who are genuinely licensed are subcontracted their production to others, and they are some of the ethanol that
ebyombe aho ebyo bire inse yeri aburilia linda ugatuzi nigo byagosera iriye wikabosibwe kigambiro abolitkoria angyo tariki 13 aso kwa merero muroberi omuyabo akonyora ebibande askire batere buna nigo osenigo obwatranite gotumekwa bobe wechibesa chi serikali
abwatene kurwa sebyombe byo nigo bono bate bire bunencherera aboro yokonyara gokonyo kubwata ko ibande ninchira gotumeka eyibono yarenge enchira enkora sebate bire bunanero yoka eranyare gokonya aso konyara gotumeke nengo ye serikali azekeri bagendere gokura buna uchumi nigagendere te okongana serikali nigagendere totumeka chibesa chinge aso konyara gokirania maganyo aliatari yengencho.
What is the difference between this new project and the Huduma number? Why is this government hell-bent on wasting money on a white elephant project during these tough economic times? What will happen to the over 1,000 employed by the Huduma number now that the PS wants to tender what could have been done by Kenyans to Pakistanis? Why?
Ekyombe kelia getenete abaisiramu kimanyekante una supu kembono ni gobe so kirina gukwanira amangana rengete obura yase chikanisa ekyombe kwa kubatana ekyombe kerikia baindi ni gobono ba mochire serikali asogo swana na chidini anena matuka byogo sasimo na gono bokori bwa ekyombe kimoni go giate bire igo kiganete serikali kurubu sibore ya senseme chidini ele kunyaro ikirani merobeli yabo unabotambe
agokwana bosi obye committee tenedete ogotwa wech kanisa wech dini kanisa nene kubwatikana na mangana abaga okorekana sensemo ya shakahola nigo batere buna serikali tebwenere tukobeke bitango asensemo yogo sasima boigo nigo baganirie ekamati yo kwene kyabuna orobotironde rwonsi barabe bakobwatuka nigo rororo kene na korengana nerichiko ediyo abose ababwatani bose bechikanisa kwegwa obosibole bogo sasima.
Kenya has a very robust constitution which the Muslim community fully and actively participated in its framing and enactment, especially with regard to the Bill of Rights. Hence, in executing its mandate, with regard to the three aforementioned issues of mandate, this committee should adhere to the constitutional provisions of Article 32 with regard to the freedom of religion and belief and the limitation therefore under Article 24. Article 8 of our Constitution makes a very significant declaration as follows. There shall be no state religion.
Murigirina mange to akwariganete togandete gukumanya nkora turasentunde ya kabirite no kumanya mange onyorebu na enyasore yatoka semu ya nambale ese ni shilingi 10 milioni 200. Tiba tena wajako yale ko mure wenze ka ngobanta ambabe gubya.
Urendo mwanje murire wekeraga igato toko ira sensemo ya kabire studio ero tumwarigani Victor Sultania tumanyibuna na raya ya twariganirite ko sensemo ye Chigosori to basaguskare. Abo igo onyore na chiko tumanya mange na igoro ya Shabana na Gusii FC. Ekere Chigosori kwa ngoto atere timu iri yakoba omuyende yabawe. Tima itobona se chibere ere yarenga omnere yarenga we.
Ndizi TV ubwenso bw'umugusi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na bwigo chinkeno nukukigima na bwigo tonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asede kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekigo korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu uomogusi.
Onjomo gili antarachi okumanyiwa no ngani ngolenge home ngolenga away aseko sodi ya Gusii FC the target eto ya chakere sensemo ya Ichuni combined area ya Victor Sultan wangi egane Emanyie Chigosori ngo kwaligania to Emanyie sobime timu ya Ichuni combined nerovono abanyankongo gosababu we ligi ya FKF division 2 abwa semaga yogo taikana we timu yarenge yarobere bawole chako gosoria na boroboli tukolegoro koirera barabo kwae wachi point isoto ne chigolibere se gosorie yo bachikoira obunyangongo bwo se gosorie yo timu itekerente igoro kunga Kisumu Green Berets bwo bono batakerente getiko ira timu ya Gusii FC kwae wachi goli point isoto mchigolibere se gosorie yo sebono baire chikurigiri ibagali oswa ase ligi ya FKF division 1 oswa ase egosori igati ye timu ya Shabana na boigo timu ya Gusii FC ni gobono Gusii FC basogete makali yogo tabikana goli endene timu ya Shabana segosori yakorekanete segetikia Gusii Stadium Gusii FC ni gobalenge ko baligania Shabana sentunda yakabere sengencho chitimu chichonse bero mwancho muligire ningo chigo tumia egetikia Gusii Stadium buna egetikia wagyanka kolenda sentunda iga Gusii FC ni go yalenkenka abwase abaliganetie timu ya Shabana gosoka makali yegoliemo seyemo Shabana ni gobono banyolire point ya mo na utigana sedi bagali yakabere se ligue yo ya National Super League anya naboni go bagwata matumaini yogo chikosoa se ligue ya KPL. Kiria inyoranga timu ya Murang'a Seal nigo erebosio asobonge bwechigori chinga kibwate chi point chirenga ine nonya nabo timu ya Shabana nebwate libagari yasingencho nebwate egendo kitokoroka a game at hand abwase magaye gosori yo kobwatia na litowish komayanga akiamangana which kobako asigo mashabiki ya Shabana tabwe antigosto no bwoba ukona maiga ye gosori gati ya Gusii Stadium na boygo timu oseka sorry egati ya Gusii FC na Shabana asegeti ya Gusii Stadium mukocha we timu ya Shabana Samiokot nigoro nyabo atago kerete gosori ya Gusii FC asogote wanga nigo batiringete chinsa chinyinge Okoti nigo atebire achikwana kinga sechigo soli chiko bwati ngo bekaro mokia elio bachigo so aseli ya Kenya Premier League.
Game tumecheza but kwa upande wangu kama coach jakuwa game ya kupendeza kwa sababu na believe tumecheza less than 70 ama 60 minutes first half na second half. Imekuwa low, imekuwa si game ya mashambulizi, imekuwa haijakuwa game nzuri, kwa ufupi haijakuwa game nzuri but all in all tumedraw na bado dream yetu iko valid, bado tutazidi kufight tu kwa sababu tunataka kumaintain bali tuko. Tunataka kumaintain namba moja, so lazima tu win. Sasa tumebakisha 5 matches, so lazima tuende all out, but hii ijakuwa game nzuri, at least tuko na point bado. Na believe opponent watu tutacheza nao watacheza vile wamecheza kwa sababu wame waste time mingi wakiketi cheza low. Anytime game inataka kucheza wana reduce to 0. Sidhani kama opponent wale tutacheza nao next watabehave the same, but in case wakibehave the same then sitabidi tukue fast kwa ball na tutafute magoli mapema. Kama tungefunga ile penalty sidhani kama
ingakie timu ya Gusii FC era seri bagalia gatano ni gona barabo batebero namba chikobe komokia kone kingango sabare aseli yeyo ya KPL chingaki bamereta materi bagalia gatatu eli ochikonyora libagalia ogoswa sensemeli ya playoffs ukwana asegetikia Gusii Stadium Kasim Junior yo romo kocha bwe timu yini gatebero buna achikona kingango bekaro mokia koikera amagania yabo.
Kwa majina naitwa Kasim Junior, mimi ndio coach Gusii FC. Mechi leo dabi ilikuwa ngumu kidogo, tunaangalia wenzetu ilikuwa mechi muhimu kwao. Sisi again pia tunaangalia still bado tunafikiri tuko na chance ya kumaliza namba 3. So we wanted this game sana pia, that's why ilikuwa ngumu kidogo for timu zote mbili. Unajua kila mechi unaitake vile imekuja. Unaangalia the whole game 90 minutes kidogo tumecheza under pressure, opponents wetu walikuwa wanataka hizi points sana, so unapata each and every time pressure ilikuwa inakuja kwetu. So again hiyo pia ilikuwa part of vile tulikuwa tumepanga for hii match. Next match tuko na Migori Youth, wale Migori ni game ngumu pia, and na feel preparation yetu imekuwa poa. Tunataka kuface hiyo game pia with a lot of seriousness because still vile nimesema tuna feel games zimebaki, tukipiga poa tuzishinde na feel tuko na chance ya kuingia playoffs.
Wanchomoligeria chi isia mbalimbali isia mseto abasori bagote banigo chigendete korwe waigoro yega gosoli iyo yakolekana tasige city kya Gusii Stadium amashabiki twasangete na barabu mbabu ataya iga yogoteba.
Mechi ya leo ikiwa ni siku ya Jumapili, vijana wangu wa Shabana United versus the Gusii United FC, they have done their best. We will all learn to line between. They have shown what we deserved. Regardless that tumeenda draw haina hoja. Hoja ni mechi imeisha vizuri kwa amani. Though we are wishing all the best kwa vijana wetu. Hao ni vijana wetu wa nyumbani, vijana ambao tunaheshimu, tunapatia heshima ya kwanza. Mwenye ataingia league aingie, atie bidii kwa mazoezi. Mwenye atachukua namba yake ile yenye anachukua atie pia next time bidii. We love them, we respect them, otherwise we've been enjoying together, we've been playing together, we've been having a better momentum with them. Wish all the best Gusii Shabana FC, wish all the best Shabana FC, and we are playing for the best for the next and the remaining days.
Sawa, kwa majina anaitwa Richard Nyakundi, mkazi wa Kisii na shabiki mkubwa wa Shabana. Sina furaha sana maana tumepoteza pointi 2 muhimu, lakini game ni hali na pia ni derby tunaelewa, lakini we hope for the rest of the remaining games vijana wetu watakazana, kwa sababu najua tuna coach wa maana ambaye anaweza, so that we see how we can clinch this title and then tuende mbele tukiingia league. So imani yangu ni kwamba ligi tunaingia kabisa kwa imani, kwa sababu ukiangalia pale tulipo tunaingia kwa ligi. So nawatia moyo vijana wetu, hasa mkubwa wetu maestro mwenyewe Wycliffe pamoja na Peter Ogechi.
Wancho moligeria chinga kia yuagendrete lituko elimu usama tukabere maigaye timu ya Harambee Stars komosha konyora libagalio kwenda asense ya Mauritius ase tournament ichisenye yo ya chagete lituko lia igoro ni goli tukuli halero timu yo ya soka uchesense yo abikera no chinsa kianda chabona magoroba egati yebitango ebyo birete timu ya Harambee Stars gotagenda segosoli yo chinsa cha mapema no koborwa kwenengo gubabuna ekageire timu ya Harambee Stars ni go yaro biri go chia kogosolia ne timu yense ya Djibouti kolende ni go ekemino ne kyo kyale go soli walit kole igoro gya sugetiwe gosyo abwa sebono tugochikoligelinga naki timu ya Harambee Stars ego chikokolia ase ebiminane byo abantu 23 ose timu ya bakosolia 23 nigo negati yabo baswa sendege goenda asense ya Mauritius kurwa semesa yechigosoli Ndizi TV nigo tukoyeganeria Harambee Stars amaya Manchomolire ya unonko ya kolera kolende nkomanyase obwango egati ebyakorekanete ase kendiyeye inyoranga omugosoria Congestina abo lyokoruta chingumi manyikanete kale sana litukolioro nigo baruteranete chingundi amo Nazarika Mekado ase chinsemo chiri cha Mombasa oyo kabero mugabana we county ya Nairobi Mike Songo negati yabaligania ose bali baire bakomosira omugosoria Congestina Achieng korwa se ebirengo bya ebense maigayo gotugutware nagati ya ababwatani bensemeyo na nigo litkolegoro egosori yekirana tebene abange nigo bagotebanga negendo ligo show off kolende aina mangao egendo kinge chongelinga abara imbaro wikirabono bagendete gosira chigosori ensemo ilia ya UEFA Champions League nkonyolinga Manchester City maigayo ko baikora etimu ilia Inter Milan ego ilia ya mo liga na yesegero nigo wikiraboniga banyo ile libagalia bene lyokobwa agekombe kyo ke UEFA Champions League ase entunda entanganike gima nakobali na etimu ya Inter Milan libagalia konyora agekombe kyo ase raundi ende ya gatano nara inabwate kurwase ensemo yechigosoli buna butambe iposiku tuzidishenia litukulia rongo falsafa gotebanga ando nsia somiete hakikisha kwamba wale ambao wako karibu na wewe unawapatia hadhi yao, kama ni wafanyikazi, kama ni mfanyikazi wako wa nyumbani, kama ni wafanyikazi wako kazini, wose no murugio wose n'abana bao enekinga keromonto komole isko yae mugorobomi.
Mano Victor Sultan Bubanyasa mangana Emanyie kurwa sense moye chigosori.
Davidesko yera mangana mayaka gimana we gotumanyire igoro yetimu ya Shabana hasabono ni gatumanyigere makale ne timu iri ya Muranga Seal ase chipointe 50 no moneye mo igobono ntonte kumanyana ki era chigosori chinde chire bosio.
Mwancho mulira libana wikiraga na to wikomwero bwe Emanyie Jumatato na twabere to kumanyia mange kumna ari agenda to koreka mense ya Kenya ni kurwa sense mu yechigosori kone ni to kwariga ni obego kubwate mirobere yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusi
aboigo botambe egentekia osekebe nko bakerekea koleka no sengia koleka nto mukagete igento gia koleka nto mwancho muligire sari kibuno cyale mutenyi buno yo lero sari kibuno lero ni komine ibero mutenyi gatano limo omwaka boli libwe ya mochime isana September ngo kyandane tane 1897 ansemeli ya India omotenge cy'umutindi igo itete abantu goitania eliwe yemo ne chime isano asense ya India omwaka boli weyemo chime isano na September kyandane tane 1897 egento gatebeke weka bono sali kibuno cyale kumnebere omujo tano limo nigo motenge cyo mutindi oiteta abantu wetaniriwe yemo ne chime isano ayu na yakolekane tasenga kyumoncho muligire mbye mona sogo tengera Ndizi TV semo ya mtandao
na batanyara wetera Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News
Yarabono urutore kubwatira nere wetera somuno wemanyiryo igakoro kwa Joshua uta kare Petro ndira mukira aine kichibi chamulire cya wikira senchira yo wikira
Encheri tariane Evelyn Osero
na botambe news master Dr. Vincent Onyancha